Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can power your builder base. You have the micro USB, our 5-volt DIY kit, and a CR2032 battery. We'll start with the micro USB because it's the simplest. First, you're going to want to plug your micro USB into a 5-volt outlet. Then you'll take your micro USB and plug it into the micro USB port on the builder base. If that's done properly, you'll notice that the LED on the front of the builder base illuminates. Next, we're going to use the 5-volt DIY kit. You can purchase this kit on our website. You can find the link for the tutorial on how to assemble this kit in the description below. What you're going to want to do is connect a male-male wire to the V+ port on the kit, and then you're going to want to take another male-male wire and connect it to the ground port on the kit as well. Next, you'll take your builder base and attach the V+ wire to the 5-volt port on the builder base. Then you'll take the ground wire and attach that to the ground port on the builder base. Once you flip the on switch, you should notice the LED on the front of the builder base illuminates. All right. Now we'll use the CR2032 watch battery to power the builder base. To do this, you're going to have to disassemble the client and remove it from its shell. Flip the client over and remove the screw on the back of the client. We did this ahead of time in the interest of time. Next, you'll notice 2 Phillips head screws holding the client to the case. You're going to want to remove these, and once that's done, the client will just pop right out of its case. Now, you'll notice this battery holder on the back of the client. This is designed for a CR2032 battery. On the top of the holder, you'll notice a plus sign. This means that the plus sign on the CR2032 battery must be facing this. Once you insert it, flip the switch on the back of the client to the battery position. Once you do that, if your battery is charged, you should notice the LED on the front of the client illuminates. The CR2032 battery is great for low energy applications, meaning you should use low energy drivers with the battery, as the battery doesn't have that great a capacity. Also, if you want to switch from using the CR2032 battery back to one of the other methods of powering the device, you need to ensure that you flip this switch back to the USB position. From there, you'll take your USB cable and insert it into the micro USB port on the builder base. I need to redo that.
Did you flip the switch?
Yeah. There you have it. Those are the 3 simple ways you can power your Quantum builder base. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the rest of our videos. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification button for updates. You can also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.